Once upon a time, there was an incredibly beautiful princess who consumed her stepmother with envy. The wicked queen ordered a ruthless huntsman to chase her deep into the forest.
This winter is so peaceful. Yes, Your Majesty. Oh no! My sweet jam! Look at that beautiful color. I wish for a daughter, beautiful as snow and jam. Here is your beautiful baby girl. Oh, my sweet Luma. She is perfect. But I am so tired.
Oh my. She is loud.
My heart is so... Wait, what is that noise? Rest now, my loud queen.
I am the new queen now. Mirror, mirror, tell me the truth. Who is the most beautiful of all?
Scanning data. Please wait.
You are a perfect 10 out of 10. Ha! I knew it! Nobody can beat a perfect 10! La la la! The sun is so bright! Chirping happily. Oh, thank you, little friends! It is beautiful! Happy chirping! Error. Update found. Luma is 11 out of 10. 11? Ugh, that is mathematically impossible! Call the hunter. I want her gone today.
Where are we going, mister?
We are going to pick some special flowers.
I have to do this. Forgive me.
Do you have a tummy ache? I have some bread. Oh no.
I cannot do it. You are too cute.
Why are you crying, big guy?
Run away, Luma. Hide and never come back.
Okay. Thank you, mister.
Now, what can I show the queen? Goodbye. A little cut here.
Cut here.
A little shape there. Perfect.
Finally. I am the only beauty here. A sweet heart for a sweet queen. Tastes like cherry jelly. Very healthy choice.
She is crazy! Let's fly away fast!
I am so tired. My feet hurt. A little house. Hello?
Wow, everything is so small here. Who lives here? I'm so hungry.
Just one tiny bite. Oh, this mushroom soup is delicious.
I will just rest my eyes for a minute.
Work hard, play hard, boys. I am so hungry for soup. Wait, the door is open. Someone is inside our house. Whoa! It is a giant monster!
Oh. Hello! I am sorry I ate your soup.
Who are you, giant girl?
My stepmother wants to hurt me. Please let me stay.
That is a very sad story. You can stay, but you must be our head chef.
I promise I will cook every day. Mirror, am I the absolute best now? Luma is still alive. She is at the miner's cabin, 1110. Alive? The hunter lied to me. I will do it myself. I need a disguise. Bubble, bubble! Make this apple full of trouble.
One bite, and she will sleep forever. Poison level, maximum.
Do not open the door for strangers, Chef Luma.
Hello, pretty girl. Open the door for an old lady.
I cannot let anyone in. My friend said no. Oh, just look at these beautiful apples. This magic apple will make your skin perfect.
Perfect skin? Really?
Yes, radiant and flawless.
Oh, I want that. Well, just one little bite. Oh, I feel so sleepy.
I win! I am the 10 out of 10.
Oh no! The door!
Chef Luma, are you okay?
Who did this to our chef?
We must keep her safe forever. She was the best cook.
I think I am lost again. Where is the castle? This map is broken. Why is the tree upside down? Whoa! What is that shiny box? This armor is so heavy. But I must look.
She is the most beautiful girl I have ever seen. Ugh.
True love's kiss will wake her up. Here I go.
Whoa!
Cough! Cough! Oh, thank goodness.
Wow, that was a big piece of apple. Where am I?
Ow. My head hurts. Did I do it right?
Are you okay, Mr. Knight?
I am fine. You are so pretty.
You are funny. Thank you for waking me up.
Hooray! The chef is back! Let's make a big dinner! My sweet Luma, you are safe.
Yes, Father. This knight bumped his head and saved me.
Will you marry me, funny girl?
Only if you let me cook the wedding cake. Cheers to our happy life.
Hooray for the princess! Is the magic trap ready?
Oh yes, the shoes are waiting.
Stop this wedding! I am the queen!
Guards!
Here is a gift for you, evil queen. Jing, jingle, jing, jing, jingle. Ah! Take them off! Stop! My legs are moving by themselves. I hate dancing. Make it stop! Help me! I am getting dizzy! I will be back! No! Not the mud lake! I fell. Wait, did you push me? Ribbit? Ptooey. This is a 0 out of 10. Ribbit. That was the best dance ever.
You are right. I love you, Luma.
And they all lived happily and danced forever. Cheering.
There are many more magical stories waiting for you. Like and subscribe for more easy English fairy tales. See you in the next story.